Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about how you guys can promote Clickbank affiliate links. So for you guys that are new to this channel, welcome. If you are subscribing to my channel, it will be great because I'm going to um, give you so many videos that you can know about the affiliate marketing and how you can promote the you know product and services that you want to promote. And I'm going to talk about in the next videos about the traffic sources, about affiliate programs that you can start making income. So please stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yep, let's get into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to open a Clickbank Clickbank account. I have a Clickbank account. If you guys don't have a Clickbank account, I put the affiliate um, program, the Clickbank links in the description below. You can go and just start sign up and promote the product from Clickbank. So what I'm going to do is going to open the affiliate program Clickbank. So I have the account already. Just going through to the product that I want to promote. So I just got the screenshot here, and I'm going to marketplace because maybe familiar with Clickbank. If you're not, just watching this video because this is I'm going to give you the exact work that you have to do to promote the Clickbank. So you guys go to products. I'm going to get product from marketplace. I'm going to show you again. The product itself is um, like to promote business and marketing because these products I'm familiar with this, so I'm going to promote this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to gravity. Gravity means the most high converting product that's selling in the market right now. So from the top until the bottom, just looking which product is the best. I usually doing from 25 to above. So I'm very familiar with one product here. I'm going to find that product. It's a product that it's from our Clickbank. It's from Clickbank University. This is converting well this time. As you guys can see, 61% sell. So it's going to sell well. So I'm going to promote this, and the profit margin is high, and it's gonna convert well. What I'm going to, I can go to promote and promote the link, just like if I have a link that I can promote, just go and grab this link and just copy and paste this link. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to affiliate program from this product, and I'm going to Clickbank University here and find the product that I want to promote. So the product is this is the product that I'm going to do. Just put my name, email address, and affiliate ID that I have from Clickbank. I'm going to become an affiliate. So just go to the page that I can grab emails, grab the affiliate link from Clickbank. This is the affiliate link that I can promote. What I have to do is just put my affiliate ID here. Cytotonic. Then copy. That's it. I'm going to paste to the traffic source that I can promote, whether it's Google or YouTube or whatever, and the things is I have so many email follow-ups that I can copy these emails and uh, take to my get response account and start email to my audience. So that's how it's simple, guys. That's how you can promote the product. You can grab these links as I did here, copy and just paste it to my traffic source, whether Google or YouTube or so many traffic sources that you can find. I'm going to give you some traffic source in the next videos. So for you guys that interesting for Clickbank and wants to earn commission, just I put the link in the description below, and you guys can promote the Clickbank program and the products. That's the simple, guys. Hope you guys enjoying this video. So if you guys new to this channel, please subscribe. I'm going to give you so many videos that you can start promoting earn commission. So thank you so much, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.